In this video, I'm going to show you how to get bug egg in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So this is now a part of the new pets update, and to actually get the bug egg, what you have to do is you want to walk up to the pets egg shop over here, which is basically at the other side of the silent seed shop next to the gear shop where there used to be the quest giver. And what you want to do is just buy it over here. So in case you don't see it, it means it's currently not spawned. So if I talk to this dude over here called Raphael, I'm gonna click show me pet eggs. You can see at the very bottom there's the bug egg, and it has only a 3% chance to spawn. So it says it's 3% of shops, which means it spawns only 3%. So you have a 3% chance to actually get it. It's the rarest one in the game as of right now. However, as you can see, you will have to wait 30 minutes for this shop to refresh, and then once it does, if you actually manage to get a bug egg, click on it with E, and then you'll be able to just buy it over here. Now it will also show you which pets you can get in there, and you can just buy it over here. Now, if you know the price, which I do not because I haven't seen it yet, this update has just dropped, it's so fresh. If you actually know how much it costs, let us know in the comments down below. I'm curious to know, and other people are as well. We'll be very thankful for your input. If you of course want to speed this up, and if you want to spend some Robux, which not many people want to, you can refresh these eggs. It costs 90 Robux to refresh the egg shop, and after you do that, of course, new eggs will pop up, which will give you a higher chance of actually getting those 3% to get the bug egg. So if you want to do that, feel free to do so, but otherwise, you'll have to wait half an hour. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.